Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi A5 with elegant design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.88 inches HD plus water drop notch. Display. Resolution of 720 by 1640 pixels, approximately 260 ppi pixel density, 1500 nits high. Brightness mode, and 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 32 megapixel wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8, along with auxiliary lens camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 Go edition operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 2 years of major Android upgrades and up to 3 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.6 GHz. Hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T7250 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4GB, 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4GB, 6GB of extended RAM, and 64GB, 128GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 171.7 by 77.8 by 8.26 millimeters, and it weighs around 193 grams, and the color options, blue, green, gold, black. Colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with mono speaker support, dust and splash resistant support, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Redmi A5 4G has been priced for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 10,999 Bangladeshi taka, while 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 12,999 Bangladeshi taka, while 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at €149. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Redmi A5 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.